Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Fatima Sania. I am from five groups. Today, the topic of our presentation is thermochemistry. Okay, let's move on to the first presentation. What is thermochemistry? The definition of thermochemistry is branch of chemistry that studies change in heat or energy that accompany a chemical reaction, both absorb and release. Energy can experience transfer from the system to the environment or from the environment to the system. System is everything whose energy chains are examined. The environment is everything outside the system. For example, hot tea in a glass, the system is hot tea and the environment is glass. The total energy in the form of heat contained in a system is called enthalpy. The amount of enthalpy cannot be determined, but can be determined is the change in energy. Types of chemical reaction. First one is exotherm. The temperature rise or heat because heat is released from the system to the environment. Next is endotherm. The temperature drops or cools because it absorbs heat from the environment into the system. Rules for calculating enthalpy change. The reaction coefficient states the amount of substance in the reaction that is equipped with delta H. The value of delta H depends on the amount of substance. Remember, 1. If the reaction is reversed, the sign of delta H is reversed. 2. If the reaction is multiplied by X, delta H is multiplied by X. 3. When the reactions are added up, delta H is added up. Delta H does not depend on the number of reaction stages, but depends on the condition of the reacting substance of the reaction products is left. For example, number 2. Next is various types of enthalpy change. The first one is standard formation. The enthalpy change required or released in the formation of 1 mole of a compound from its elements under standard conditions. 2. Standard parsing. The enthalpy change required or released in the decomposition of 1 mole of a compound from its element under standard conditions. Standard parsing is the opposite of standard formation. Last one is standard combustion. The enthalpy change required or released in the combustion of 1 mole of a substance from its element under standard condition. This example of standard formation. This is the example of standard parsing, and this is the example of standard combustion. Determination of reaction enthalpy or delta H with a calorimeter. In the experiment, the heat produced by the reaction or system is the same as the heat received by the water and the calorimeter. The amount of heat produced or absorbed by the reaction or system can be calculated by the equation below. Q M little c delta T or Q C delta T. Key amount of heat M in grams. Little c is specific heat of water or solution. C is heat capacity of the calorimeter, and delta T is temperature change. T2 min T1. This is the formula. of enthalpy delta or delta H with a calorimeter is delta H min Q per mole. Temperature rise is exotherm and temperature drops is endotherm. For example, determination of reaction enthalpy delta H based on the basic enthalpy of formation. Remember, the coefficient form is 1 mole from its elements. If in the reaction equation all delta H substance are known, then the delta H reaction can be calculated using the formula. Delta H is delta H product min delta H reactant. Free element delta H is 0. For example, thermochemistry is the science that studies the relationship between heat and chemical reaction. It is a branch of thermodynamics that deals with the transfer of energy during chemical reaction. The field of thermochemistry is very important in understanding the behavior of chemical under various conditions, such as high or low temperature, pressure, and concentration. Knowledge gained from this field can be applied in many industries, including food processing and energy production. Okay, maybe enough from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.